Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up verifying HOA fees using Zillow and county records step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Zillow website. In the search bar, enter the address of the property you're interested in. Press enter to view the property details. Scroll down to the home details section on the Zillow page. Look for the HOA or Homeowners Association information displayed there. Note the monthly or annual fee listed, but remember this is just the starting point. Next, open a new tab and go to your local county assessor's website. Search for the property using its address or parcel number. Once you find the property, look for any associated property records. Check for a section that details the Homeowners Association, if applicable. Read through any documents that provide information about fees or assessments. Take note of any discrepancies between the Zillow listing and the county records. If applicable, look for a contact number for the HOA or property management company. Reach out to the HOA directly to confirm the fees are accurate and current. Make sure to ask about any additional fees or special assessments not mentioned in the initial records. Keep your notes organized for easy reference. Now you have completed the verification process for the HOA fees using Zillow and county records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.